Alright guys, today's warm-up reads, there is a container holding 392.5 liters of carbon dioxide gas at 32.8 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 775.8 millimeters of mercury. How many grams of carbon dioxide are present in the container? So let's just go ahead and see what we have. We have a volume of a gas, we have the temperature in Celsius of a gas, and we have the pressure in millimeters of mercury of a gas. And what do I want to know? I want to know how many grams of carbon dioxide. That's what I'm solving for. Now, I know that the only ideal gas law that deals with any type of amount is going to be the ideal gas law. And the ideal gas law is PV equals nRT, or PEFNERT. Okay. I know that with the ideal gas law, I know that R is a constant of 0.0821, okay, liters times atmosphere over moles times Kelvin. So I know that if I'm going to use this equation, my volume has to be in liters, my pressure has to be in atmospheres, I have to use the mole, and I have to use Kelvin for temperature. So let's just go ahead and start with what we have. All right, we have a pressure. I know I'm going to need that. And that pressure is 775.8 millimeters of mercury. I know that this is not going to be what I can use. I need to be able to convert that. So I know there's 760 millimeters of mercury in 1 atm. So my actual pressure, 1.02. 0.0789474 atmospheres. All right, so that's P. My volume is pretty straightforward. Volume, I have 392.5 liters. This is the correct unit, so I don't need to do anything with that. I don't know moles. That's an unknown. I do know R is equal to 0.0821. And I know my temperature is 32.8 degrees Celsius, which is equal to 305.8 Kelvin. Because again, we need to have our temperature in Kelvin. Anytime we deal with the gas law, we are going to always use Kelvin as our unit of measurement for temperature. All right, so I have everything except for moles. So when in doubt, solve for moles, of course. So I'm just going to go ahead and set up my equation here of 1.020789474 times my volume of 392.5 times moles times my constant times my temperature. All right. So this is just becoming an algebraic equation. So I start to simplify this. This is what I get. I'm going to divide both sides by 25.10618. I should get a mole value of 15.95861531 moles of carbon dioxide. All right, so now I have moles. I know that the question was asking for grams, so this should just be a really easy conversion. 15.958611531 moles of carbon dioxide. Remember, I'm not rounding till the end. And I know that 1 mole of carbon dioxide has 44.01 grams. And that should give me 702 grams of carbon dioxide as my answer. All right, guys, so that's the warm-up for today. If you have any questions, again, feel free to email me at any time on Canvas. As always, have a great day. Make good choices.